So freaking excited for this today. What is up, Pit Boss Nation? It is Maisie with Barbecue by Maisie, and you are tuned in to another incredible episode of Pit Boss Backyard Bosses. While we're both here together, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Today, I am going to be showing you one of the easiest ways to smoke a tri-tip. Tri-tip is a triangular cut of meat found on the bottom sirloin. It is a super easy meat to smoke. Today we're going to be reverse searing it, which in my personal opinion is the only way to smoke any sort of steak. And if you have a family like mine where you've got some people that want their meat a little more rare, you want some that want a little more well done, tri-tip is just the cut of meat for you. Today we will be smoking our tri-tip on the Pit Boss Odessa at 250 degrees. We're going, like I said, we're going to reverse sear it. So we'll be smoking it at 250. Then we're gonna crank the temperature up, give it a nice sear so we get a nice crust. That's my favorite part on the tri-tip. All right, let's check out our tri-tip. It's about a 3-pound tri-tip. And there's one thing you need to notice about this cut of meat. Notice on the tri-tip how the grain runs two ways. This is important to notice before you get it on the smoker, especially if it's your first time. When you're slicing your tri-tip at the end of the cook, you're just going to make sure you cut against the grain so that you're getting the most tender slices of meat that you can. All right, some tri-tips will not be as trimmed as others. The grocery store I get mine from, it comes pretty trimmed. You want to leave some fat on there and you want to take off the silver skin if you can. So I'm just going to trim up this thicker fat and leave some of the other fat on there. Next, we are going to apply a little bit of a binder. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use water, you can use mustard. This is just going to let our seasoning stick a little bit better. When I season tri-tip, I like to use two different rubs. So I like to use just a standard barbecue type rub. This is Pit Boss Competition Barbecue. And then I really like to use a salt and pepper based rub. This is Pit Boss Smoked Salt and Pepper. So first I start with the barbecue rub and just season that very generously. Pat her on in. Flip it over to the other side. You can see on this side, really, the grain actually shows itself a lot better on that side. Tri-tip is so easy to cook. That's about the only thing you need to pay attention to. All right, now we're going to hit it with our S&P. You could just do salt and pepper and kosher, or you could just do pepper and kosher salt. I just like the thick grains in there. Gives it a nice flavor, and it's also going to give it a really nice crust. Okay, our tri-tip is seasoned and ready for the smoker. All right, let's get our tri-tip on the Pit Boss. I'm going to place it over the left side here. The center is where the burn pot is, so I want it to cook not over the direct heat. And as you can see, I've got some baked potatoes that I am going to be cooking with the tri-tip. This is the perfect meal. All right, so we've got our tri-tip on the left side of our smoker. Put the potatoes on an hour ago. My potatoes will take about 2 hours at 250 degrees. It kind of depends on the size of your potatoes. And the tri-tip will take about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the doneness that you want. So per my calculations, this should all come out perfectly, and we're going to have the best meal tonight. All right, so now that our tri-tip is on the smoker, we don't need to do anything else. We're going to leave it there for about 45 minutes. We'll come back, we'll check the internal temperature and see where we're at and see how much longer we need. All right, you guys, I swear, don't you move a muscle. Meet me back out here in 45 minutes, all right? Let's go. I haven't done a little dance in a minute. I need some new dance moves. Like a little robot. All right, guys, our tri-tip is about 130. Remember, this is the part where you're going to cook it to your preferred internal doneness. I am going to pull the tri-tip off the smoker now while I heat it up. I am using the flame broiler on my Pit Boss to get that nice sear. If you don't have that on your smoker, you can get a cast iron skillet super hot. You could use a griddle, a pan on your stove, anything that gets super hot that you can get a nice crust on your tri-tip. All right, let's go ahead and get our smoker turned up. All right, we have the smoker super hot, so we're just gonna place it directly over our flame and let it sear off for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Oh boy, that's what we like to see. Look at that char, that crust, it's sizzling. I cannot wait. All right, now that she's all done, we're gonna take it back over to our foil. And we want to let it rest for at least 10 minutes to let those juices kind of incorporate back into the meat. I promise it'll be worth the wait. All right, here is our tri-tip. It's rested for about 10 minutes. So what I like to do is come to the point and I like to look at the grain. It's going right about here. I just like to slice it right in the middle. All right, we got a nice red center. As you get towards the edges, it's going to be more well done. So my grain is running this way. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. It's going this way. So I'm just going to turn it and start slicing this way against the grain. And I like my tri-tip slices nice and thin, and it's going to be a nice tender bite. I can hardly wait to sink my teeth into this meat. You guys. Woo! Perfect tri-tip. You done good. All right, you guys, there you have it. It's super easy cook on the Pit Boss. Remember, we did a reverse sear on our tri-tip. We smoked it at 250 degrees for about an hour. That cook time is going to depend on the size of your tri-tip and what you want your doneness to be at the end of the cook. Then you're going to transfer it to something super hot. You want to get that crust on your tri-tip. It is so tasty. On the Pit Boss, we seared it over the open flame. My personal fave, or you can use a cast iron skillet, a pan on your stovetop. Really, anything that is piping hot is going to do it for you. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. We'll see you out in the backyard next time. You have a great rest of your day. Peace.